Hi all, I'm Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up a bezel setting with an opal in it safely. Polishing up after you've set an opal is very risky, so I'm going to show you the one wheel that'll do it without hurting anything. So take a look at that delicious little pickle-shaped baby. That's what you said, right? It looks like a pickle. Doesn't that look lovely? And we're leaving the chain in the bag sort of just to keep it from, flying around. So sensible approach. So we're going to use the Swifty One Step to clean it up. And this is in my bezel settings polishing kit because it will not damage a stone. It won't even damage your opal. Because people think like, oh, I'm going to just try to be really careful and not hit my stone. But guess what? You will hit your fuck. It's the same thing as when you're setting and you're taping. It's like we all try to not slip, but if that were possible. Okay, so lovely little Swifty wheel. No fears, will not damage your stone. You can also use the more flat shape, but a lot of times this little narrow shape is really great when you have these little tight little spots to get into. See what I mean? Like right in there. So that's why a lot of times I will use the knife edge when I've got like, little fiddly areas to hit. Okay, and always remember, of course, I've told you this before, when you're using the flex shaft, you have to be comfortable. You're gonna rest your hands on the table because you never wanna be like up in the air because that's very uncomfortable and you'll slip more. Okay, so I'm gonna hold just like this with my thumb out. Okay, so let me do that again so that you can see what it looks like if you don't put your wheel in straight. You see that? If you see that, boys and girls, stop and get it in straight. I've always said, all I can do is be a cautionary example. Okay, let's try that. Oh, look at that. Fabulous. Okay. So I'm gonna set myself up like this. Doesn't matter. You see that little shiny, beautiful edge? See what I mean? How that cleans it up like so nice. So you can use this on the very top of the bezel, but you can also, when you have something like this with these like tight little spots, you can use that to kind of get down in there. See what I mean? And yes, you can go right on top. See what I'm saying? And really, this is the kind of thing, like, you're not going to be sitting here for an hour doing this. You go all the way around. And what you also, let me point out something. You don't really want to make your life difficult. Only work where you can easily reach and see what you're doing and be comfortable. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay. So just work your way around the stone once, and that's it.